Allow me to say. Allow me to say. Will you mind speaking a bit softly, please? Please excuse me. Please excuse me. It was all my mistake. It was all my mistakes. Will you please move a bit? Will you please move a bit? Will you please speak slowly? Will you please speak slowly? Please convey my apologies. Please convey my apologies. I am sorry I got a little late. I am sorry I got a little late. I am sorry I could not make it in time. I am sorry I could not make it in time. That's very so kind of you. That's very so kind of you. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Could you spare a few moments for me? Please make yourself comfortable. Please make yourself comfortable. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me also help you. Let me also help you. May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Sorry to have disturbed you. Sorry to have disturbed you. Hope you are enjoying yourself. Hope you are enjoying yourself. I will try my level best. I will try my level best. Thank you for the valuable advice. Thank you for the valuable advice. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you.